Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Visual Studio and NET runtime. Once ready, create an ASP. NET project and add jQuery or use Fetch API. This gives you client tools. Next, add a controller action or an Ajax handler that returns JSON. Make sure routing and model binding match the data you need. Finally, wire a simple HTML button and an empty result container, so you can call the endpoint immediately and inspect responses in the browser DevTools. You now implement the client call. With jQuery, call $Ajax URL type post data JSON. Stringify model content type application/JSON. Charset equals UTF-8 data type JSON. If you prefer fetch, use fetch URL method post headers content type application/JSON body JSON. Stringify model on the server. Use a strongly typed DTO with from body for post or simple parameters. Forget so model binding populates values. Then update the DOM from the success or then handler. You finish by validating end-to-end behavior. Confirm the client receives the expected JSON and updates the UI. Make sure the server sends appropriate HTTP status codes and a predictable JSON schema so error handling is simple. If things fail, first check DevTools network. Confirm the request URL, method, headers, and payload. If you see CORS or 415 errors, enable CORS on the server. Set content type to applications/JSON and ensure model binding attributes like from body match the client.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.